I forgot to record. My bad, y'all.
Dump pack.
I'm not a dumb fuck. I'm a dumb mover. I'm a what? I'm a dumb animator. You're lazy? Me too.
What most likely take a week to finish
I mostly take a whole day just to make a animation.
I'm thinking about doing
Even
parang frame by frame. Frame by frame na animation. Pero that's week. Like smaller din.
I do frame by frame animation. Yeah, I do actually. Oh, all I need to do is place a stick man, make a single frame, and make him move in that frame, and make that guy, the stick man, be in that frame. Yeah, he just moves frame by frame. But instead of frame by frame, I just shortcut it a little so it looks better. I have a flashlight, but
Later you need to grind the steak and I'll help you. I'll help you.
wait, what door is it? 8.
How about record how when we are like playing? You can
Well,
make like Forsaken and
skits.
Thompson.
Skip.
Wait, actually yeah.
Yeah, I'm too.
But kailangan recommend some viewers like parang post and add like options kung anong gusto ng skit na ship.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Yeah, but it low-key take all my time probably.
But it would probably
Entertain my 25 subscribers, I guess.
yeah, slowly but surely lang yun.
It's not sure, but yeah, it's slowly. I hate like dark rooms with these. It's so annoying. I literally just go for the guiding light. Good doors, ship. Ship. Guiding light X player. Ayo.
What?
I don't know. I don't know any doors, ship. Ship, not ship. I do not know any.
By ship.
I got this sort of British. Oh my, it's a lovely, fantastic day in England. Oh yeah, mate. Like something like that. But I just got food.
Holy scallywag.
Holy scallywag yun.
What do you mean by that?
Oh my, you got the fresh cranberry juice. Real door speedrunner over here. I meant money speedrunner. I need money. I'm broke.
Get that shit out of my face.
Patayin mo yung isa.
Show me how many days we have left. I hate that.
I'd rather kill myself than go to sleep. Now, I know YouTube is going to kill me. I'm going to Sacred Heart School actually.
Para ano? Para pag may pausa. Ikaw yung magluluto! Yay!
Hey guys,
Ikaw kasi na ako. Sunog! 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 Susunogin mo yung sinain. Ito susunogin mo yung pagkain natin.
bro, at least marunong kayo. Bro, at least kayo marunong magsaing. Ako hindi. Kayo.
Anong kami? Pinagnagaan
Yo, holy shit. Almost died there actually. What the fuck? That's really close.
Really?
Yeah, cause I was behind the closet and I cannot enter from behind the closet. W game loaded. Pakop. Here's the piano.
I do not know how to clap.
Mr. Barry Linkle Dinkle. Mr. Barry Linkle Dinkle.
That's my channel.
Mr. Barry Linkle Dinkle. Alam ko yan.
What?
Ah.
King Von!
Wait, King Von. I know King Von. He got sniped. I meant, what the hell?
No, biglang naglabas na siya, hindi. What's your time cannon?
Fuck, I didn't see eyes.
You die, you grind. On Forsaken. On End.
Fuck, I didn't memorize. Well, it's a die or die situation. Forsaken or die.
Animatronic. Or a person inside. I love Azure Time Slap.
Fuck.
Who's him looking freaky today? What the fuck? Fuck. I love food.
Oh, holy shit, I'm low already. Where are the bandages? Yeah, finally bandages.
Grabe ang banda sa bago. Bagyo ka lang, banda ka mo. Habang na, bagyo na yan tayo pa. Oh, grabe. Pag-uwi niya ng high school, ha?
Shut up, got your calories. I never look good in Mondays.
Tawa niya, parang... Bro, that dog looks like it's McDonald's itself.
24 karat magic in the air.
I love honey and I like pie.
You're lucky I didn't bring my pixel off today. Nah, fuck this shit, I'm out. I don't know. I don't keep track. Bro just showed the doors. Wait, is that a doors reference? And I did more HP, fuck. Fucking hybrid.
Astig pa ba yung pagkaya? Astig ka rolls.
Now I was at 25, now this is 26. I suck!
Now you have to grind. You die to do.
What the fuck you mean, Duke? He's Duke!
He do